functions on top of Spark. So that's the pending item. And before I proceed further, I mean, there is one pending item from my end, and right, the tar image that I have to upload. Problem is, I have already a tar existing in my drive, which I've just deleted actually. Yeah, this is the one that I've just deleted. The problem is that doesn't have all the latest tar. I mean, I just have trying to upload a new one, which has all the data sets that we are referring to. So that's the reason why I'm taking time to upload the tar of the working directory. Once that is done, I will provide you the screen prints and I will let you know how to do it. Or I can show it right away. I mean, once I send you the tar image, the tar ball that I'm just trying to do, what you're supposed to do is you just take it to your desktop or something, right? Something like this. You download it, I mean, from your Google Drive. Once you download it, it's a matter of getting it into your desktop, right? I mean, from desktop you have to get into your home part, which should be your home Cloudera or home training or whatever it is. Just go to desktop and then working directory.tar. This is the one, right? So just move it to your home Cloudera. So once you move it to your home Cloudera, you will find this working directory. So what you're supposed to do is tar-xvf. Just use this command tar-xvf. It will generate all the, it will create a new working directory under your home path, and it will have all the directories that we are looking at, all the input files, all the data sets, everything it will be having. So it's a matter of just taking the tar ball and taking that into your desktop and doing a command called tar-xvf. Okay, that should work. I mean, once it is uploaded, right? Okay, there is some problem. Oh, the problem is I've moved it from my desktop, right? It doesn't have the source. Sorry. So close to 1 GB. So let it get uploaded meanwhile. So you are clear, right? What you are supposed to do once I give the tar file. Let that get uploaded, and I will be sending you the tar file. That's one thing. And I could see certain questions from LT. Okay, I'll just come from the top. Flat map, village store, care by care, map store by words. So I'll tell you what's the difference. I mean, I've already I keep on telling the difference between map and flat map. The only difference is how they process or how they apply the logic on top of the data, not the kind of storage they do. Flat map applies the logic on the whole data set and flattens the output, whereas map applies the logic or your transformation record by record and then gives the output as record by record. If you want your entire output to be flattened, then you would use flat map. If you want your output record by record, then you can go with map. That's the basic difference. Okay. And then Packet looks very powerful. Of course, indeed, it is a very powerful file storage running in memory. Is there a file size limit since it is registering and running in memory? I would say there is no file limit for Packet. I mean, just like, see, for processing, you would need memory, right? I mean, so Packet will not have any limit as such. You can create it as 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte or 10 terabyte, whatever be the file size, it can have it. But the processing component, maybe if you are processing that particular Packet file using Impala or something, Impala should have sufficient in memory. Or if you are processing the packet using Spark or something, Spark should have, Spark entails into disk, right? I mean, if it's sufficient in memory is not there, it processes it on top of this. So Spark wise, there is no problem. When you're talking about Impala and processing packet, Impala should have sufficient in memory, right? I mean, there is no certain limit that I have to have only packet of this size. I hope you got that. And how to decide Parquet or JSON? It's again simple. I've told you already. When when I have a very lengthy file format, I have 250